I look out across the water, I smell the salt and feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers
been searching for. Time goes slow when you're up all through the night. Through darkness we'll go to greet the morning light. Won't waste away tomorrow. We're stepping out the door, 'cause you're the one that I've been searching for. No sad goodbyes or lonely cries.
I've been trying to break through. I've been dying to be with you, but my attempts have often failed, and the way the day has sailed, it was gruesome to remain. What I mostly did was to complain, and with every failed attempt, only grew my self-contempt. No peace around, 12th time around, wallowing in mirth. What was it worth? Well, the upside of constant failing is the thought, what's the use of wailing when you've fallen deep below, underneath the roots that grow? There comes a point where you must choose. Will I win or will I lose? Will I hold on to what no longer serves me? Or will I heed the call that deserves me? Free thoughts aloud, time to be proud. No cops around, freedom abound. Glossing over, I've been a pushover, but now I'm a drover. I'm a rover and an obstacle crossover. A challenge pushes you on. How you know you have won? Just identify from your mind.